Hey guys, back on the bench here. So last video I was talking about how these connectors here are a weak link. Well, today I want to remove this one and show you how quick and easy that is. And in another video I'll come back and we'll maybe do an assembly or something. We're putting all this stuff back together. I was looking at the flight controller, and being that the connector's on the top, I'm not really too concerned about it. So I don't think I'll desolder that one. And this one has motors, it has the motor pads here, so I can just direct solder from these motor pads right onto these motor pins here for the ESC. So what I'm going to try to do here is I got a hot air gun, so I'll try to do this. Grab my tweezers and we'll see if I can start a fire in here. Maybe drop some components off the back side. And this lead-free solder just don't like to let go. At all. Wow. Oh, look at that. Some pins under there too. And there you have it. Moved a little resistor here. That guy back. There we go. So now that that's done, we'll take some solder, some fresh solder. Crap in the way here, and we will throw some fresh solder on here. Turn it around and try to hit these other pads. Flux. Flux is your friend. And apparently mine is really old, so I don't use a whole lot of it. And drop it on the floor. And I got those all tinned up a little bit, and with this bigger tip I should be able to just put it right in here. And we don't want to stay on the pads too long and overheat them. You'll take them right off. And if you keep your tip clean and you get too much solder on there, you can pull some of it off. Not that I'm going to be using these mounting pads again. And looks like it should be it. Just a toothbrush with some alcohol on it. Clean that up. And there you have it. Tuned up, fresh, clean pads. Got too much crap in the way here. There you go. The light ain't working too well. Too far away. Something like that. So I'll come back and solder these on. Solder the wires directly to that. And then when this goes in, and now I can get it right down. Pretty close to, flush. When that connector was on there, it stuck up quite a ways, probably about like that. Now I can get it down there further. Unfortunately, I can't remove the cap or any other components. Give her one more. Even if I was to put one on top of the other, it's pretty close. Probably stick some Captain tape or something between them so they don't touch each other. But there we go, 20 by 20. Made thinner. Take care.